Western Australia's wildflower country can take you by surprise. In less than 2 hours out of Perth, you can encounter an untouched beauty unique to this part of the world. It's the perfect weekend trip, with mapped out drives, walk trails, and signposted sites, so you see all the best spots. Wildflower country extends from Moora in the south to Mullewa in the north, from Dalwallinu in the east to Geraldton in the west, and there are many ways to explore it. The flowers will take your breath away. Exquisite pockets of colour set against red earth, patchwork paddocks and river gums. And dotted between the blooms, like rare gems, are amazing sights and experiences. Country towns bursting with history, culture and secluded spots to claim as your own. Whether you're camping under the stars or road tripping in style, the unspoilt natural beauty of wildflower country allows you to totally disconnect. There's something magical about venturing somewhere different, going off the beaten track to lose yourself in new experiences. And in a landscape like this, you're bound to find something special. Let your heart grow and your soul bloom. Explore wildflower country today.